The gilded cage of royalty often conceals tumultuous storms beneath its facade. For Sheikha Mahra, the daughter of privilege and power, this was tragically evident. Her life, once a fairy tale scripted for a princess, took an unexpected and dramatic turn, a narrative played out not in the hushed corridors of the palace, but on the public stage of social media. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more. The world had watched with enchantment as Sheikha Mahra and Sheikh Mana, two scions of prominent royal families, wove a tapestry of love and luxury. Their union was celebrated as a match made in heaven, a testament to the enduring traditions of their heritage. And then, on 1st May 2024, their love story seemed to reach its pinnacle with the birth of their daughter. The couple shared intimate glimpses of their journey to parenthood, their joy palpable in every shared photograph. Sheikh Mana, a doting father, was by his wife's side, his love and support evident. However, beneath the carefully curated image of domestic bliss, cracks were beginning to appear. Just 2 months later, on 4th June, Sheikha Mahra posted a solitary selfie with her newborn daughter, a stark departure from the couple's usual joint appearances. The accompanying caption, "Just the two of us," hung heavy with unspoken words. With equal subtlety, both Sheikha Mahra and Sheikh Mana deleted photos of each other from their Instagram profiles, fueling speculation about the state of their marriage. Then, on 17 July 2024, a seismic shock reverberated through the royal family and the world beyond. Sheikha Mahra, in a bold and unprecedented move, announced her divorce on Instagram. In a post that defied the strictures of royal protocol, she employed the Islamic divorce formula traditionally reserved for men: "I divorce you, I divorce you, and I divorce you." The declaration was as shocking as it was final, a public unraveling of a private tragedy. The speed with which the couple's fairy tale had transformed into a heartbreaking reality left the public stunned. Questions swirled about the reasons behind the sudden and dramatic breakdown of their marriage. Speculation ran rampant, from rumors of infidelity to irreconcilable differences. Yet, the couple remained silent, adhering to the strict code of conduct expected of royalty. Sheikha Mahra's decision to take control of her narrative, to break free from the gilded cage and confront her pain publicly, was a testament to the changing times. It echoed the broader societal shifts taking place in the region, where women were increasingly finding their voices and challenging traditional norms. Saudi Arabia, with its rapid social reforms, provided a stark parallel, a kingdom where women were reclaiming their rights and shaping their own destinies. As the world continued to grapple with the implications of Sheikha Mahra's courageous act, one thing was clear: the fairy tale was over, and a new chapter, one of resilience and strength, was about to begin. 5 months after their wedding, Sheikha Mahra and Sheikh Mana shared the joyous news of expecting their first child. The announcement, made on Instagram on 18 October 2023, featured an ultrasound image accompanied by the caption, "Just the three of us." The excitement grew as Sheikha Mahra celebrated her 30th birthday in February 2024 with a pink-themed gender reveal party at Jabil Hall, Dubai World Trade Center, attended by VIPs from across the United Arab Emirates. On 1st May 2024, Sheikha Mahra welcomed her first child, a daughter. She shared intimate snapshots from her childbirth journey on social media, offering glimpses of her newborn daughter's arrival. Sheikh Mana, by her side throughout, showed deep love and support. The photos captured touching moments between mother and daughter, as well as heartwarming scenes of Sheikha Mahra's mother embracing her grandchild. Despite the public display of happiness, signs of trouble began to surface. Just 2 months after the birth of their daughter, Sheikha Mahra's Instagram post hinted at marital discord. On 4th June 2024, she shared a selfie with her daughter, captioned, "Just the two of us." This cryptic message, coupled with the removal of photos of Sheikh Mana from her Instagram account and his similar actions, indicated a breakdown in their relationship. The use of the triple talaq, a spoken proclamation of divorce, is rare and typically reserved for men. In Islamic law, this method, known as talaq thaltha, allows a Muslim man to divorce his wife by repeating talaq, meaning divorce, 3 times. However, it is considered reprehensible in modern times and has been banned in many countries. Muslim women seeking a divorce must go through a lengthier process called khula, which involves filing a complaint, attending mediation sessions, and presenting evidence of fault before a judge. Legal expert Hesham El Rafi of the United Arab Emirates noted that the process for a Muslim wife seeking divorce can take up to a year, contrasting with the expedited, no-fault divorce available to Abu Dhabi expats. Sheikha Mahra's decision to publicly declare her divorce in such a manner was not only bold but also a significant deviation from traditional practices. Sheikha Mahra's announcement garnered widespread support on social media. Many praised her for taking a stand and asserting her independence. The sudden nature of the announcement, however, led to rumors that her account might have been hacked, though no official confirmation was provided. There has been no public comment from Sheikh Mana, Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, or Dubai's government. The UAE embassy in London also refrained from commenting on the matter. Political commentator Abdul Khalik Abdullah pointed out that Sheikha Mahra's Instagram post went against norms in private Emirati culture and royal family conduct. However, her actions were seen as marginally more acceptable due to her mother's more liberal background. In the wake of the announcement, Sheikha Mahra's Instagram account was scrubbed of all photos of her husband. Similarly, Sheikh Mana's Instagram account no longer featured pictures of his wife or child. This digital erasure signaled a complete break from each other. Despite the royal family's typically private nature, Sheikha Mahra's decision to publicly address her personal issues on Instagram highlights the challenges of modern relationships and the role of digital platforms in addressing them. Her actions underscore the importance of self-respect and setting boundaries, even in the face of societal pressures and personal heartbreak. Conclusion: Sheikha Mahra, daughter of Dubai's ruler Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, married Sheikh Mana in a grand ceremony in May 2023. The wedding, valued at over $10 million, was a spectacle of opulence and tradition. Sheikha Mahra's custom-designed gown, adorned with thousands of Swarovski crystals and intricate gold and silver threads, reportedly cost $1.2 million. Sheikh Mana, not to be overshadowed, wore a bespoke tuxedo estimated at over $250,000. The guest list boasted Hollywood celebrities, business magnates, and royalty from across the globe, arriving in luxury Bentley and Rolls-Royce cars valued at least $400,000 each. The celebrations continued with a stunning 7-tier wedding cake adorned with cascading flowers. The couple was photographed cutting the towering cake with a ceremonial sword, marking a moment of joy and unity. Sheikha Mahra's journey from a fairy tale wedding to a surprising and public divorce has captivated many. Her boldness in breaking royal decorum and addressing her personal issues publicly has set a new precedent in the realm of Emirati royalty. While her actions have sparked controversy and speculation, they also highlight the evolving dynamics of modern relationships and the importance of autonomy and self-respect. As we reflect on Sheikha Mahra's tale of grandeur and heartbreak, we are reminded of the complexities of love and the courage it takes to stand up for oneself in the face of adversity. Her story is a testament to the strength and resilience required to navigate the intricate tapestry of personal and public life in the modern age.